Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Keely. This is an impromptu vlog because I actually wasn't planning on filming this week. I am starting a new job actually today. However, it is remote this whole week, so I feel like I'm gonna have a lot more time to vlog. Since this is gonna be a fairly chill week in terms of work, I'm just gonna be doing a lot of errands in New York, doing my laundry, getting my hair cut, going to the gym. I haven't joined a gym since I moved back to New York like 2 months ago, so I'm testing out Equinox today. I'll bring you guys with me. A lot of people have said that they love Equinox. To be honest, I'm like not loving it so far. I've tried it a couple different times at a couple different locations and I just don't know if I can justify the price. It's $320, which actually for New York is kind of on par with other pricing. It's insane. If you don't live here, that number is like a jump scare, but I'm definitely interested in testing it out, so we'll see. I'm excited to have kind of a productive lead-in time to when I actually need to hit the ground running at work. So come with me, we'll see what we get up to this week, and I'm glad you guys are here. Welcome back to the vlog. So it's been really cold in New York, and I swear that everyone is going through like a mental crisis. Like this past Saturday, it was raining all day, and I literally felt like a dark energy in the air. On Sunday, it was really nice, and today it's like gorgeous out. It's Monday, so I feel like people are now in a much better mood. And after the gym, I think I might go for like a long walk just because it's so nice out. I want to say it was almost exactly a year ago. It was in April of 2024 that I took my first ever video at that pickle court. It's a really cute video. I love looking back on it, and honestly, I'm so happy that I started a YouTube channel. It's been so fun for me. I'm back in my apartment. I never filmed like this side of my apartment, so I feel like it's a different vibe, but I wanted to show these beautiful lilies that I have. They seriously are like making the apartment smell like the second I walk in the door. I mean, my apartment's literally tiny, like this is it. So it doesn't surprise me, but like I seriously think they like almost smell like a candle or something. Like they're so fragrant. I love them, and I just think they look so beautiful. The vase is from IKEA. It's very old, but it's really cute. I'm gonna make some dinner. I marinated some salmon the other day, so I have that ready to go. And then I'm also gonna just cook up some shaved Brussels sprouts with a bunch of seasoning and some mushrooms and just go to town. I'm so hungry. That walk was so long. I want to give you guys my thoughts on Equinox. So I think I had a better experience today than I did the other day, but I also went at like 3:30, so I feel like no one was there, which was so nice. But that's not normally how I'm gonna be able to go. Once I start my job, I'm most likely gonna be going early in the morning at like 6:30 or later at night, like right after work at 5:30, and it already started to get really busy at like 4:30 when I was leaving. So I don't know if it's worth $350 or $320, whatever it was. It's definitely, I'm not ready to commit yet, but we'll see. I don't know. It's a nice gym. It's just not like anything special for the price. This is my favorite meal right now. Just a huge bed of vegetables. The Brussels and the mushrooms are so good together. And then my marinated piece of salmon. And I'm literally watching my own YouTube videos. I just love going back and like reliving the memories. If anything, that is like my favorite part about having a YouTube channel, is that I just get to relive so many different like times in my life. And I'm watching my Hawaii vlog. I'm like missing Hawaii and my mom so much. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my little dinner and night in and watching YouTube. Hi guys, good morning. It's Tuesday morning. I'm done with my meetings for the day, so I thought that I would take you guys with me as I run some of my errands in the city. My dad's friend is in town tonight, and he's taking me to the Centurion Lounge in New York, and I actually just don't have anything to wear for it. So I'm gonna go do a little bit of shopping in Soho. I'm so not someone that buys clothes for specific occasions. My roommate actually like makes fun of me because of how much I rewear my clothes. I just don't think I have anything. So I'm gonna pop into a couple stores, and I also have to ship a package out to my mom. So I figured I'd take you guys with me. I honestly need to get out of my apartment. It's like so nice out and I feel very cooped up, so I'm ready to rumble. I've been loving changing up my scents. I feel like you're either like a signature scent person or you're someone that likes to switch it up a lot. And this is my go-to right now. It's the Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia. It's absolutely stunning. I actually got this in like a set gift from Sephora where you get to like choose your scent and then you get the full size, and I'm so obsessed with it. It's just like the perfect spring, like kind of clean, pretty, just like girly scent. It's not too floral, but it just smells so like clean. I don't know how else to describe it. I think we'll do these glasses and I'll show you guys the rest of my outfit. Very much sticking with the spring theme. I just like need to wear light colors and have something that makes me look forward to the weather being warm because it has been so cloudy. I love this jacket. It's a vintage jacket and I just feel like I don't have a lot of more fitted pieces, so I just like love the silhouette of this. I think it's so girly. Little boxy tee. I honestly need to get some new ones of these today because I feel like this one is pretty dingy. And then my pants are from Princess Polly and I'm wearing these little brown cowgirl boots with some blue lace, which is why I paired my little blue bag. All right, let's hit it. J.Crew was a bust, but we're gonna head into Oakenfort and see if they have anything. So Oakenfort had a lot of really cute going out stuff, but you know when you're just like on a mission to find something, and I'm finding like work clothes and like nicer attire, and they just didn't have that. So one of my goals is to really start elevating my closet because I feel like I'm getting older, working in person and like have events to go to, and I just simply don't have the wardrobe. And I feel like that's also a manifestation thing. Like if you want to get invited to do cool stuff, you need to be ready for it, and that calls more cool stuff into your life. So, and I'm a really picky shopper. I have a really hard time like actually purchasing things. I try on a lot, but if they're not like perfect, I don't buy them because I don't wear them. So kind of striking out, but we'll see if I find anything. Well guys, after trying on literally probably like 200 items, I found nothing. Came home absolutely empty-handed, and I have to get ready now. So I'm just gonna have to pull something out of the closet, lean on my roommate, we'll see. I don't know, you guys, I'm so picky when it comes to my clothes because if I'm spending my money on it, I want it to be high quality and I want it to fit me perfectly. And I kind of feel like if it's not an absolute yes, it's a no. And lately I just feel like so much of like the fabric that is in all of these stores is so bad. The only store that I really liked was J.Crew. Sorry, not J.Crew. The only store that I really liked was Banana Republic, but all of their stuff was like linen, which is great. I love linen. I'm the biggest fan of linen, but I just felt like I needed a different material for tonight. So I love these Aloha bars. I mentioned them in my last vlog, but they're organic, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and plant-based. And I just think the ingredients are pretty clean and they taste really good. I was eating the Bear Bells bars for a while and I actually became addicted to them. Like I would have one a day. They taste like candy, so I was like, I gotta stop buying these. And I like the Aloha instead. Morning, girls. I'm on my way to go get my hair cut. I haven't had my hair cut in like 7 months or so. The last time I got my hair cut was July and it's April. So it's been a while. It's much needed and much overdue. I'm hopping on the subway to go over to Brooklyn because my hairstylist is over in Brooklyn. I've been seeing her for like 3 years. She was originally in the East Village when I lived there. That's like how I found her. And she actually does a bunch of influencers' hair, but I just like have been going to her for forever and she's gotten really popular. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired, so we're gonna grab a little coffee before we head in to get the haircut. I never like do this stuff. I feel like I always see influencers being like, Let me go get a coffee and get my hair cut. This is so not my vibe, but I'm doing it this week because I like don't have anything to do with work and I'm kind of losing my mind. Honestly, if anything, this week has really shown me that I don't think I can be a full-time content creator because I need more structure in my life and I'm already like excited to be like back working full-time. Hi guys, it is Friday. Happy Friday. I think the last time I spoke to the vlog was Wednesday morning when I went and got my hair cut, and I have to say my girl slayed the house down as she always does. It doesn't look probably that different. I just styled it, but basically we just took out like a lot of weight. It's very thick and it gets like really heavy on the back of my head, so we took out a lot of weight, and then she just added back in some face framing layers to give it a little bit more shape, and I love it. I think it turned out so cute. I really didn't want a huge change, so I'm glad it turned out perfectly. Today we have a super fun day. One of my friends is going to be in town, so we might meet up with her for a little happy hour. I do need to do some laundry and finish up my errands for the week. I think I'm just going to take this vlog through the weekend and show you guys what I get up to. It's like so pretty out. New York has been so cold for April. It's been really depressing. I'm just like someone who needs sun often. It affects my mood so much, so I'm excited that it's like very nice out. I'm literally doing like all of my bedding and all of the clothing that I own so I can be prepared next week. Everyone wants to move to New York until you realize how much work goes into the smallest little tasks, like washing your bedding. This literally has to be a joke. That's the most silly thing I've ever seen in my life. What? I think this is the most laundry I've ever had. Here we go. What I would give to have laundry in unit. My laundry is going. I'm gonna go see if I can find an onigiri. I'm so hungry, and there's a little Japanese grocery store nearby, and I love onigiri. It's like the best little snack, so let's see if they have something I can munch on. I've never been in here, but I love it. I think it's gonna be my new spot. I've always walked by this place and always wanted to come, but I never have, and I'm so happy to be here. I love the Hello Pandas too. These are like my favorite little snack. Look at all of the onigiri. I always loved spicy tuna. I think I have to get one of these.
Probably like everyone else.
Good move. I did that. Okay, that was like my new favorite place. I'm obsessed, and the girl that worked there was so nice. I love these things. They're so good. They're like these little sushi triangles. I feel like I always do them wrong. Oh no, this is going really badly. Okay, this is such a bad representation of how it's supposed to look. And then some soy sauce. So good. So good. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. I'm kind of running out the door here because I'm heading to Smorgasburg. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like a little food festival here in New York City, and I'm going with my friend Capri. who I don't think I've introduced to the vlog yet, so that'll be fun. New character. Last night was so fun. I didn't do much talking to the camera, but we just went out to bar Piselino, grabbed a drink, and then had some dinner at Fairfax, and it was a super fun night. I was with just like a couple of my girlfriends. One of my girlfriends is in town for the weekend visiting a different friend, so we'll probably see her again today. I'm starving. I'm so excited to get the food at the food festival. And I also went and grabbed a coffee this morning. I just got like a bodega coffee and then added my own creamer when I got home, and it's perfect. It's very essential on a Saturday to have coffee. It's gonna be a great day. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today, which is the nicest day we've had so far. And in my last vlog, we were supposed to have a really nice day, and then it turned freezing cold really quick. I'm pretty sure I was wearing the same skirt in that vlog, probably the same outfit because I wear the same things like over and over again. I'm hoping that it's not like a bad luck charm to be wearing the same thing and have it get cold again. But I was freezing the last time I wore this, so we'll see. So I'm wearing my cowgirl boots this time, so I am switching it up a little bit. I love these boots. I literally thrifted them for $25. They're the best. But it's very cash. I'm kind of wrinkly, but that's okay. Okay, we got some bao buns. Wait, no, sorry, dumplings and bao buns.
Oh yeah.
Capri, it's your debut on the vlog.
Woo, hi vlog.
We're at, what's the name of this park? It's like,
Is it Prospect
Run
Park?
Club, Run Club.
We're everywhere.
Maybe, is it Prospect Park?
Domino
I don't know.
Park? I feel like we should know this.
It is gorgy though, and we have a nice little breeze, so.
I know, it doesn't get better than this.
It really doesn't.